One of the things that attracted me to Cummins was the value of diversity. And when I interviewed at Cummins, there was a director-level female who asked me some tough technical questions. There was a female who interviewed me who was 7 months pregnant. And I knew that I wanted to be an engineer. I also knew I wanted to be a mom. And so seeing that in the interview process was helpful to me. So in my early career, I actually didn't see very many other women. And I think about 10 years into my career, I sort of stopped noticing that I was often the only female in the room until I went to a program that's put on by SWE through Smith College called Specialist to Strategist. And that was really meaningful to me because I realized that while I had gotten used to being the only female in the room, actually other women might not feel comfortable with that. And if we wanted to get to the at least 25% that helps to shift from an underrepresented group to more meaningful contributing group, that we would need to work on our culture. We would need to bring more women into the technical organization, and we'd need to evaluate how to do that and how to make them feel welcome and make their voice heard. So around that time, I started to question and learn about why don't we have more women in these roles? And I learned quite a bit through SWE. There's a lot of research that's done. Going to the SWE conferences, I meet other peers who are doing this same type of work and have this same passion to seek gender balance in all types of roles in their organizations. And so I've learned through that it's possible to make change, and we have an effort called Tech Women Leadership, and I'm the co-leader of the North America branch. We look at recruiting, we look at developing, we look at retaining the workforce, and the work that we've done to make Cummins more attractive to women actually applies to a broader spectrum of diverse talent, people born in other countries, people from other underrepresented groups. So I've really liked seeing that change in the face of Cummins over the last few years, and I know we still have some work to do, but I'm passionate about working towards it and continuing to learn and continuing to help others learn. I also think the diversity and diverse teams really are more innovative. So one of my roles when I was in research and technology, we had 17 different countries of birth represented on a team of about 60 people. And the debate that I saw, the discussion at lunchtime over football or soccer was quite intense, but also the interactive debate and the ideas that came out of that group that came from very different backgrounds were so much more innovative than if a team had sort of grown up in the same area and thought the same as each other.